Hey everyone, did you know Windows 11 has hidden features that can boost your productivity and make your life easier? In this video, I will show you secret Windows 11 tricks you probably didn't know. Some of these will blow your mind, so stick around till the end. Let's get started. Okay, screen recording of enabling clipboard history. Tired of copying and pasting one thing at a time? Windows 11 has a hidden clipboard history. Press Windows plus V to open clipboard history. Click enable if it's your first time. Now you can access your last 25 copied items here in the clipboard. Super useful for students, office workers, and programmers. So, moving towards the next hidden feature, a secret start menu. Want quick access to important settings? Try this hidden start menu. Right click the start button, or you can just press Windows plus X. Instantly access Task Manager, Device Manager, Disk Management, and more. You can also use Windows plus I for quick setting access. This is bonus tips for you guys. Okay, so moving forward, the next hidden feature is built-in emoji and GIF keyboard. Want to add some fun to your messages? Windows 11 has a built-in emoji and GIF keyboard. So for this, press Windows plus dot or full stop. Period key, it's known as period key to open it. Use emojis and GIFs and even cow emoji. You can also use cow emoji. Works in WhatsApp, Twitter, and any app. This works in WhatsApp, Twitter, and any app. Quick way to add expressions to your chats. Moving towards the next hidden feature, it's virtual desktops for productivity. Need separate spaces for work, gaming, or study? Use virtual desktops. Press Windows plus Tab to create multiple desktops. So click New Desktop. Click New Desktop to create multiple desktops. Switch between them using Windows plus Control plus left arrow or right arrow, anything. You can use left arrow, right arrow. Okay, so moving towards, this is the perfect for multitaskers and students. The next hidden feature for us is the hidden battery report. Want to check your battery health like on a phone? Press Windows R, Windows plus R, and type CMD and hit enter. Okay, so here you can type power CFG space / battery report and then press enter. So what is here is battery life report saved to file path C users owner battery. Okay, so let's go to file manager and let's go to C. It's inside users and it's inside owner, and here is a battery report. This is a battery report. It's you can open it in a web browser. So see, here is the battery report, everything, your computer system name, BIOS, OS build, platform role, and the battery you have installed and recent usage, the usage of your battery, and the battery report is, we can find battery report this way. So find out if your battery is dying or still healthy from this way. Moving towards the next feature, it's focus session in clock app. Easily avoid distractions with focus session. Open the clock app from the start menu, set a timer and start a focus session. Here is the focus session, so start a timer. For suppose I started for 20 minutes focus session. This works with Spotify to play focus music. This is perfect for students and remote workers. Just check it out. If it works for you. So, moving towards the next hidden feature, it's outro and call to action. And that's it. And that's it for this video. These were the hidden Windows 11 features that will make your life easier. Which feature did you like the most? Comment below, like and subscribe for more tech tips, and have a good day. Thank you.